Okay, so our last install is some version of LaTeX. And if you need a reminder of which one you need, you can pretend to start a new R Markdown file. Remember, it showed us which ones we need here, so I'm not going to go through with this, but here PDF output requires text, so MikTeX on Windows, MacTeX on OS, or Tech Live if you're working on a Linux computer. So I need MacTeX, of course, so I'm going to Google MacTeX, which I've already done here. And so MacTeX, and I got carried away and I clicked on it. So MacTeX here, and there are smaller downloads, but just to play it safe so that you know you have the full installation, let's just click this MacTeX download or whichever one it takes you to. And it is a large download, so we'll get started here. And I'm going to hit the mactech.pkg, I think, and allow. And like I said, it's quite a large download. And so it's 4.7 gigabytes. So I'm going to pause the recording here and come back when it's done. All right, so it finally downloaded. Now I can open this mactech.pkg, and it's going to take me through the instructions, and it basically holds your hand the entire way, and agree. Okay, I want it to be on this hard drive, I guess. I don't know why. Anyways, I don't know why I have multiple options, but here we go. Continue and install, and my password. I did notice up here, so to obtain the distribution while downloading, please skim and read the rest of the page. Users who run into trouble often write us without noticing that the solution is on this very page. So if you do run into trouble, maybe read through these instructions first, and then you should be able to find the solution there. Okay. So it's estimating about 6 minutes, so I'll pause it again and meet you back here. All right, so the installation was successful. Woohoo! So we can close this and yeah, move it to trash. All right, so to make sure that it's running and working, I can go back to my Markdown test document that you were working in earlier, or if you have closed it already, that's totally fine. You can just start a new R Markdown file and change it to generate a PDF, or from here, you can change it to knit to PDF. So I'm going to knit to PDF because now I have the installation that's going to make that possible. And of course, if you want to knit to Word, although it's not something that we'll be doing, you can knit to Word, but of course you have to have Word installed, otherwise it can't do it. So if I knit to PDF, which is what we're here for. Okay. Okay, so I think no LaTeX installation detected. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to close this and just make sure. So I'm going to close RStudio and I'm going to open it again. And hopefully it'll pick up on that, on the installation that I just did. I guess I should have paused it. Oh well. Okay. So I did stop this git command. I'm going to cancel this for now because it seems to be quite a large download. Going to zoom in here, there. And I'm going to try to knit to PDF again and see what happens. So notice now it produces this this PDF, and you can change the viewer so where it opens the PDF, but for now this is fine. And let's see if I can, oh, that's not what I meant to click. Oopsies. Here, I just wanted to remove this this kind of side. There, okay. So here, same information as before, same title, same author, same date. I've generated this PDF document, and just as before, notice how wherever I saved my RMD file, so I'm over on my desktop now, wherever I saved my RMD file, it's going to generate both the HTML and the PDF document. So when you're looking for them, that's where they will be. All right. So if this feels like way too much of a download or way too large of a download for your computer, that's possible. You can use RStudio Cloud instead, which has everything installed already and just is ready to go. But that is just Googling RStudio Cloud and creating an account if you don't already have one, and then you're all set up. But here it is, all local on your computer. All right, nice work.